the world. There's a lot of great food around the world. Let's take a look at some unusual and interesting dishes. This is bunny chow from South Africa. It's bread with vegetable or meat curry inside. You don't need a plate, you just need a spoon. This is sushi. It's a very popular meal in Japan. Sushi is rice with fish or vegetables, but the fish isn't cooked, it's raw. Japanese people eat sushi with chopsticks. Can you eat with chopsticks? A popular drink in Asia is bubble tea. They make this sweet tea with milk or fruit. There are jelly balls in it too. You drink it with a straw. In Switzerland, people love fondue. They put cake or fruit on sticks and dip them into warm chocolate. Delicious.
Fun fact. Do you know that you can eat savoury fondue too? You dip bread into warm cheese.